Hello, this is David with boberdoo.com, and today we're going to be covering how to set up a source for inbound phone so that you can track where your calls are coming from. So to do this, it's very similar to setting up a source for your web leads. It's done under Settings, Source Vendor Settings, and then we're going to go to the inbound phone lead type. You'll notice it is segmented by lead type here, so if you're setting up a source for health insurance, you would go to the health insurance lead type, of course, but we're going to set up an inbound phone source because we want to track where our calls are coming from. So basically how this works is we're going to create a source, and then we're going to assign the source to a phone number so that each time a lead calls into that phone number, the system reads it as coming from this source. So if you're getting calls from a call center, then you'll want to create a call center source similar to this one and then assign it to that phone number. Or if you're generating leads from a landing page, for example, auto insurance landing page, you would assign this source to that phone number. Some other marketing methods that you might use are radio, your solar landing page, or you're running a TV ad with a phone number on it. So these are just different sources that you might have in your system. So to create a new source, I'll click Add New Source. And with inbound phone, really there are only about 5 of these switches that we want to worry about. So first off, the source name. Let's just say we're setting up a new landing page, solar landing page 3. So we're going to set up a new landing page and have a phone number on there which will give the lead the option to call in. So this will be our source, so we know exactly where the calls are coming from. And then you can assign a vendor account to the source in case you're purchasing these leads from a third party. You can give the vendor an account so that they can log in and view the leads that they're sending you. Next up, we need to make sure this source is active in order for calls to be able to come in through the source. Then we have a lead cost. You can assign a static lead cost for your own reporting for each call that comes in through the source. And then lastly, partners per lead. This is how many times the lead can ring out to how many different partners. So if partner 1 doesn't pick up, then it will ring to partner number 2. If partner 2 doesn't pick up, it will ring to number 3. That's how it currently will work if you keep it at 3 partners per lead. You can put this to 2 or 1, but I would definitely recommend keeping it at 3 so that you can maximize the use of the system, so that you can potentially, if buyer 1 doesn't pick up, it will ring to number 2, and so on. There's a maximum potential of 3 different lead buyers that you can set up per phone call coming into your system. So that is really it. That's how you set up a source. I'll click Add New. And now that this source is created, we can go ahead and assign this source to a new phone number that you have in your system. So we'll show you how to do that in the next video, which will be covering how to order a phone number in Boberdoo. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.